Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types of salads that are perfect for any party, especially Eid. So let's get started. So the first recipe that I'm showing you is for the Raita. Here I have half of a large chopped tomato, half of a large chopped white sweet onion, 1 large cucumber, 8 mint leaves, as well as 1 chili. I also have a tub of yogurt, which is about 750 grams. Here I have 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. I also have 6 tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to start off by putting all of my yogurt into a large bowl and just mixing it to make it into a smooth consistency. It should look something like this. Next I'm going to be adding in my milk and again just mixing it to make sure everything is incorporated. Now I'm going to be adding in my seasonings and again just mixing it up. Next, I'm just going to add in all of my chopped vegetables and mixing it up to make sure everything is nice and incorporated. The final step is to dish it up and top it off with some chopped mint leaves. And that's our recipe for our delicious Raita. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy pasta salad out of ingredients you probably already have at home. I have 3/4 of a cup of mayo, 1.5 teaspoons of sweet relish, 1.5 teaspoons of yellow mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of vinegar, and half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Next, I just mix all of these ingredients together and make sure it's incorporated really well. Once it's mixed, I do let it rest a little bit. In the meantime, I took 2 cups of dried pasta and boiled it until it was done to my liking. The final step is just to add your pasta into your sauce and mix it really well. Just make sure that all of the noodles are covered in the delicious sauce. The final recipe is a creamy salad in a homemade Thousand Island dressing. For the sauce, I have half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 2 tablespoons of chopped white onion, 1/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and half a teaspoon of salt. You want to mix everything up and make sure it's well incorporated. If you have time, let it rest in the fridge. I had absolutely no time, so I just added everything in together and it still turned out really good. So while the sauce is resting, you can start by chopping up your fruit and vegetables. Here I have half a head of iceberg lettuce, 1 small peach, half a gala apple, and 2 baby cucumbers. The next step is just to take up all of your chopped vegetables and fruit and add it into the sauce. After that, you want to mix it really well. Make sure all of the fruits and vegetables are coated in that delicious sauce. The final step is to plate up the salad. It is honestly so good. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.